Costa Maya, Mexico. Just got off the ship. Now we're gonna walk into the port area to see what it's like, see what kind of things they have going on, kind of stuff they got for sale. Let's check and see how busy Costa Maya is. About to go into this really dark area. It says don't slam the door, don't yell, open one door at a time. So let's go see this dark area. It says look up. It stinks in here. No flash photography. I feel like a bird's gonna come flying out. I didn't see anything. So let's go out. Sounds like there's a whole bunch of birds out here. Let's see. Woo. Oh, there are birds out here. Let's see what we see. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. You wanna eat from my cup? Yeah, baby. Oh, pretty. Look at the little birdies. Oh, they got fruit over there. The waterfall. Y'all got a nice place to live. You have a really nice place to live. What do you think about the birds? I'm gonna call it a bird sanctuary. There are birds everywhere. Oh, they're everywhere. There's a big one up there with all these little tiny birds. Ain't nobody eat none of my seeds. Ain't nobody eat none of my seeds. I guess they're camera shy. They don't want to be on my camera. No birdies? No birdies want to eat my food? No? Hey, birdies? No? They want none of my food. Don't fly out. Don't fly out. They ain't eating nobody's food. They don't want her food. They don't want my food. They want his food. So see, he's eating his food. Eating his food. Somebody's upset. Somebody's upset. I am scared to do that. I am scared. I'm scared.
Here, take my cup. Take my cup. There you go.
Man.
Ready?
See? They don't like me.
see. Let me see if I get you. Let me see. Let me see.
Nope. Alert the guide if you see a bird outside habitat. Alright, going across another rickety bridge. This time I'm doing it with no hands. Woo! Bouncy. Bouncy. Open the net. Blam. Narrow door. Oh, what pretty birds. Woo! Woo! Rickety bridge. Oh my God. It's like doing the rope course all over again. Rickety bridge. They don't want to eat none of my food. No luck of birds eating from my hand. Well, that's okay. We got to see the birds. I saw somebody else feeding the bird. That's okay. Can I at least get one bird? One bird. But I don't want to eat my food. Come on. It's nice and tasty. It's seasoned well, I promise. The best bird seed you ever had. Yep, I'm a bird seed salesman. Come on. Buy one, get one free. Everybody loves a BOGO sale. That was a lot of fun. $12 to go in. It was worth it. 8 bridges, all these different bird feeding areas, places to just like look out and see the ships and the dolphins, all that stuff. It was fantastic. I think it was worth the $12. It's right off of the pier as you go into town and go through all the shops. It's right around the corner. So very, very good experience if you just want to do something different. Alright, so that was Costa Maya. We went around the whole port. Bought a magnet. Saw some dolphins, birds, people, lots of people. There are 2 ships here, so lots of people. Look who we ran into. Michelle and Lil Dre. Don't know where Big Dre is, but he around here somewhere. But make sure you subscribe to Tripping with Dre and Michelle. They are fantastic, create great content. They're on the same cruise ship we are on Mardi Gras. So I'm glad we got a chance to run into you guys.
Thank you.
It's her birthday?
Yes,
Was
birthday
it yesterday?
girl, yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay, happy birthday.
And it
all
was
right.
so good.
Yeah.
Chatting it up
He
with you.
sang to you?
He did.
That was
I was so embarrassed.
That was so cool. He has a great voice.
Yeah, he does.
He has a great voice.
I
know
wasn't
you-
expecting that.
I know
You're bringing me
wasn't.
up on center stage, but it was cool. It was
Yeah,
cool.
it was
I
really
appreciated
good, yeah.
everything. I had a good birthday yesterday.
Good. I'm so proud. So happy. So yeah, make sure you check them out. And then also to keep watching us to watch the rest of the content we have coming for you for the rest of this week. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
We hope that you enjoyed that video. Please hit that thumbs up button if you did. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.